Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 via portal step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Azure portal by entering the URL portal.azure.com. Once the portal loads, click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. Enter your Azure account email address in the provided field and click Next. Input your account password and click Sign In. If prompted, complete any additional security verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the Azure dashboard. In the top search bar, type Storage Accounts and select it from the drop-down suggestions. You will see a list of your existing storage accounts. Locate the storage account associated with your Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Click on the name of that storage account to open its overview page. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Containers under the Data Storage section. You will now see a list of containers within the Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Select the container you wish to access or manage. Once inside the container, you can upload, download, or manage files and folders as needed. To upload files, click on the Upload button above the file list. Choose the files you want to upload from your local machine and click Open. The files will begin uploading to the selected container. You can monitor the upload progress in the Notifications area. Once the upload is complete, you will see the files listed in the container. To access or manage file properties, simply click on the file name. Use the options available to rename, delete, or download the file as required. When you are finished, ensure you safely log out of your Azure account. To log out, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Sign Out. This completes the step-by-step process for logging into Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 via the portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.